Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you my first giveaway for November, my Thankful November for my subbies. If you remember, last month I did celebrate reaching 500 subscribers. Thank you so much. And so the month of November, I was going to do random giveaways throughout the month for being thankful for you guys, for all your love, your support. So in order to win these giveaways, you must be a subscriber, you must be 18 years or older, you can be a US or international person, and then the rest of the rules will tell you, for each giveaway when your comment is due and what the comment is to be, or whatever the case. So the first giveaway, I have 3 dies that four dies I'm giving away. They're kind of Disney themed. Let me get here. So the first one is this guy, which I use him to be Hey from Moana, because I'm a Disney nerd. The next one is a crown, which has 2 of them, 2 crowns, 2 different crowns, this one on this side, that one on that side. Sorry for the glare. Also a timepiece, this or alarm clock. It reminds me of Mad Hatter or the White Rabbit and Alice. And then this compass, which Peter Pan. So those are the dies in my first giveaway. So remember, you must be a visible subscriber, 18 years or older. In the comment section below, leave your favorite color. Favorite color. And so, today is Wednesday, November 4th. I will draw the winner on Saturday, November 7th. So you don't have much time, only a couple days in between these. You will have time to respond to let me know you saw the video, but to enter you will not. So if you want to be on top of my entries, it is best if you are a subscriber and hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified when I do upload these videos. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer them. But yeah, good luck. Thank you so much for all your love and support. And for more videos like these, and until my next video, shakas.